What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have this Alpine A110 in for our level 1 Ceramic Pro coating package plus Xpel Track Pack PPF. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button, and if you do need any detailing products, head over to nldcc.co.uk, link is in the description. Let's get on with the video. Right then, before we can pull the car inside the studio and apply the PPF, we need to give it a thorough clean. So whilst it's outside, we're going to give it a full decontamination, and then we can bring it inside the studio. So now that the car's been decontaminated outside the studio, we can pull it inside and start plotting the PPF. Now that the PPF has been cut using our plotter, we'll now need to go ahead and weed out the panels of the car that we're going to be applying. Before we start applying the PPF, we need to remove the fuel cap as well as any badging on the car, just to make sure that the PPF can go down as clean as possible. With Xpel Track Pack PPF, the bonnet, bumper, wings, wing mirrors, as well as the side skirts will all be protected with Xpel Ultimate Plus. With this, the customer will get 10 years worth of warranty. the majority of the PPF now done, we can go ahead and take the wheels off the car so we can thoroughly clean the arches before coating them with wheel and caliper. This also gives us better access to apply the PPF to the side skirts. With the side skirt PPF now applied, we can go ahead and make sure the rest of the PPF is tucked down nicely. Once that's been done, we can go ahead and coat the wheels before putting them back on the car. With the wheels, calipers and arches now coated with Ceramic Pro Wheel&Caliper, we can put the wheels back on the car and move it into the handover bay where we can apply the final bits of PPF. With the wing mirrors now PPF'd, that's the Xpel Track Pack PPF package all done. Next up, we need to go around the rest of the car with our machine polisher and remove any imperfections. Now that we've gone around the rest of the car with a mixture of the Roots 5-inch polisher as well as the Flex Nano polisher, that's the multi-stage paint correction all done. Next step is to go ahead and apply the Ceramic Pro 9H. This Alpine is in for our level 1 protection package. It will receive a single layer of Ceramic Pro 9H, which is the hardening layer, a single layer of top coat, and then the glass will also be coated with Ceramic Pro glass. So now that the 9H has been applied, we need to leave that to cure for a while so we can get the badges put back on the car, as well as applying PPF to the fuel cap, which we took off earlier on. Now that the 9H has been left to cure for a while, we can go ahead and start applying the Ceramic Pro top coat. As this is a flexible coating, you may notice that we are using a spray gun to apply this. This just ensures we can get as much coverage of the car as possible. Top coat now applied, that's the protection package all done. The glass was also coated on this, however it wasn't filmed on this occasion. As you can see, the car is now looking stunning, and that's the end of the video. As mentioned, if you are new around here, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.